Make a great choice today with the 2020 5 Series. The 5 Series incorporates bold styling cues that departed from BMW's traditional styling language. If you are looking for excitement and boldness, the 5 is for you. This vehicle has less than 20,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: turbocharged, heated mirrors, aluminum wheels, brake assist, daytime running lights, LED headlights, tires, front performance, tires, rear performance, rain sensing wipers, integrated turn signal mirrors. Is love at first sight really possible? Let us know when you stop in.